hold you close through the darkest hours, give you strength when the storm devours. In the whisper of the fallen leaves, find the peace that our hearts believe. Through the rain and the cold I'll stand, with a promise that never bends. Always I'll be here by your side, in the shadows where the tears hide. Hold my hand through the endless rain, together we can bear the pain. In your eyes there's a flicker of hope, in the silence we both can cope. Through the echo